ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಜಿಮ್ನಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. The clock and I means poet, are the two characters in the poem. Question number 2. What does the clock tell the speaker each morning? The clock reminds the speaker not to forget his daily exercise. Question number 3. Does the clock stop its exercise anytime? No, the clock does not stop its exercise. Question number 4. What similarity do the speaker and the other clock share? Both speaker and the clock swing their arms and they both exercise daily. Comprehension number 3. Read the poem again and answer the following questions. I exercise like this all day. Question A. Who is referred to as I? Here I is referred to clock. Question number B. What is the exercise? The clock raises its hand above and lowers it very slowly all the day. Question number C. What does it do? It does it in the morning all the time. I wouldn't boast of it like you. Question number A. Who is the referred as you? You is referred to the clock. Question B. What is the boasting about? He is boasting about the continuous exercise of hands and above and below. Question C. Is there a competition between the one who says this line and the clock? Yes, the speaker and the poet says the above line in the competitive mode. Study the words below. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. For the words given below, one is done for you. Me, we, rises, exercises, now, so, you, too. These are the rhyming words. Personification. I identified two examples for personification in the poem. One is it talks as plain can be and says each morning as it rises. Look at the signature of the poet. What does 10-17-21 mean? Discuss with your partner about the difference between the American and British method of writing the date. The American method of writing the date is 10-17-21. It means first comes month, day, year. But in the British method of writing, the date is come first and again month, after that year. In India, we follow the British method. The summary of the poem. The poem The Gymnastic Clock is written by M.C. Davis. It was a clock and it was friends with him. It talks to him in a very clear and plain way. Each morning as the poet rises, the clock reminds him not to forget his exercise. The clock makes an example of itself and shows the poet how to exercise. It asks the poet to raise both his hands and above his head, then lower them slowly. It cautions him not to get tired and stop exercising. It boasts that it does such exercise all day. The poet feels humiliated and the defining himself says to the clock right in its face that he wouldn't boast like the clock and like it he can also swing his arms around too. So both the clock and the poet look at each other for a long time. Now both the clock and the poet rise up early in the morning, just exercise and exercise. This poem emphasizes that the man should always be active and industrious like a clock to stay healthy, wise and strong.